Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a small boat on STORMWORKS in advanced mode. The mechanical parts of the boat, the engine and the motor. So first off, I'm going to make sure the pipe goes out. So I'm going to need a straight pipe. These are all the pipes I'm going to need right here. All the engine stuff. The medium engine is this one right here. Okay, so I'm just going to add the power directly into the prop over here. So I'm just going to add about enough fuel to last this boat a while. Okay, so there we go. And this one's coolant and cool out. Right there is exhaust, right there is exhaust. Fuel's gonna be at the top. So what I have to do right here is make this go up. Make sure it goes and turns right into that. There we go. We're gonna paint this light blue. And make sure so I'm just going to do is I'm just going to make this go out one, go up, turn, and then connect those two. And there we go. We got the coolant and fuel done. Now all I have to do is the exhaust and air. So for exhaust, I'm just going to paint it black. Also, I'm going to need this right here. You're going to add this right here is where the exhaust is going to come out. It's going to come out right over here. So air, I'm just going to do a special thing here. So there you go, you have the air, and then we have the carbon dioxide, or the exhaust. So thicker, the engine's pretty much done. Now on the top of the boat, I'm just going to add a little 6x6 area for some solar panels that are going to connect up to a battery. This battery is we're actually gonna have two batteries, and they're just gonna go right over on top of these fuel tanks. So I'm just gonna connect these batteries like crazy until they're all just connected to each other. So there we go. We're going to connect these two batteries up to that. Go add the two doors. And there we go. I'm just going to add some normal lights inside of the boat. I'm just going to add one light in here. It's going to be yellow. We're going to paint white as our color. Make sure that's sealed up. This one's just going to be a no white light. That's white. Probably shouldn't have deleted that thing right there, but oh well. So we're just going to add 3 lights to the front of this. And we're going to add 2 lights to the back. We're just going to power all these lights up to the main power system. All the lights are going to be interconnected by that one light. And that one light will be connected up to the engine and batteries. So now I'm going to add some seats and stuff. Like I'm going to add a helm, maybe a rudder, some toggle buttons. We're just going to add some lights. Okay, so the helm is going to be right here. So right over here is going to be the engine controls. That's going to be the starter. And what we're going to get is going to be a throttle lever. I'm also going to get a little bit of gauges and stuff. So I'm just going to get a dial. So there we go. We're just going to connect them all to electricity. I'm just going to connect all of this. Oh, I can't connect multiple onto one. Oh well. Temperature. Yeah, I'm just going to put rotations per second. And then temperature is going to be right there. You're going to start up the engine. And this is going to be a throttle valve. Yep, that's the engine. I'm just going to add a light control, and that's going to be right here. There we go. And that one's going to go right there. And there we go. I connected up all the lights now. The engine should start. Everything should work. Only last thing we need to do is add a rudder to make sure the boat can turn. I'm going to make sure this thing is connected up to A and D. Now we're going to make sure you're connected up to 2 batteries. And there we go. Let's go and test the boat. Looks like I forgot to add the doors, so I'm just going to quickly add the doors to make sure they work. So there we go. So here's the boat. I'm going to get inside the captain's area. We're going to make sure the engine throttles up a little. Yep, the engine's working pretty good. That's temperature, and that's RPMs. This boat's actually really fast. Time to see if all the lights work. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.